Question number 2. Find the ratio in which rice at rupees 7.20 a kilogram is mixed with rice at rupees 5.70 a kilogram to produce a mixture worth rupees 6.30 a kilogram. So let us solve this question number 2. So solution 2. First step, what we will write is by the rule of alligation. So by the rule of alligation. And then next we will make the cross. So here we will be writing the cost price of the cheaper item, that is the cheaper rice per kilogram, and here we will write the cost price of costlier rice per kilogram, and we'll just make a cross like this. So this is the cost, and this will give us mean price of the mixture, mean price per kilogram of mixture. So now let us write here the cost price of the cheaper rice. So if you see here, out of the two kinds of rice, one is being sold at rupees 7.20 a kilogram, the other one is available at rupees 5.70 a kilogram. So cheaper one will be of course 7.20, so that we will write here cost price of costlier, that we will write here per kilogram, so 7.20, and cheaper one is 5.70, so that we will write here rupees 5.70, and after mixing up what is the cost price per kilogram, that is rupees 6.30, so that we will write the point at which the we are getting the cross, so rupees 6.30, so that is what we will write here. And to the, see here at the corner of the this is our left and this is right, to the left of the corner of the cross, what we will write is, this is our costlier price minus the mean price, so 7.20 minus 6.30, that was right here. So 7.20 minus 6.30. So what we have to write here is D minus M, that is dearer price minus the mean price. So this will give us equal to 7.20 minus 6.30, that is 0.90. And here to the right of the cross at the bottom we will be writing, see here which one is bigger, C or M? M is bigger, so we will be writing here M minus C. So that is 6.30 minus our value of cheaper item is rupees 5.70, so 5.70, and this will give us equal to 0.60. Now therefore we have, so quantity of cheaper rice over, this formula will not change, quantity of cheaper rice over quantity of costlier rice, that is equal to, just we will divide the value which we have got to the left by the quantity which we have got from the right. So 0.90 divided by 0.60, so this will give us 3/2 or equal to 3:2. Now, but what is our question here? See here, our question is find the ratio in which rice at rupees 7.20 a kilogram is mixed with rice at rupees 5.70 a kilogram. So which one is out of these? You can see that they have written the costlier rice earlier and the cheaper rice later on. So if you write 3:2, it will be incorrect, because it will assume that we are mixing it in we are taking the costlier rice as 3 and the cheaper rice as 2. Suppose we are taking 3 kg of costlier rice and 2 kg of the cheaper rice. It's not like that. What is the ratio we have taken here is quantity of cheaper rice by quantity of costlier rice. So we just reverse of this. So therefore required answer is, our answer is, what is our answer? Our required answer will be 2:3. Why 2:3? Because this simply means that we are taking here 2 stands for the costlier item and 3 stands for the cheaper rice. So we will be getting the answer as 2:3. You can see it here. The answer is 2:3. Why? Because in this question they have given the costlier price earlier and the cheaper rice price later on. So the right answer will be 2:3. Do not write 3:2. It will be incorrect, because it will give you the ratio of the ratio in which the cheaper rice and the costlier rice are to be mixed up, but we want the ratio in which the costlier rice and the cheaper rice is to be mixed. So both have the same meaning, because the 3:2 here you can see that cheaper is costlier is in the denominator and the cheaper is in the numerator. Here just we are doing the reverse of that, simply because our requirement is costlier quantity of costlier rice by quantity of cheaper rice. So the answer is 2:3.